This is such a tropical tasting shrimp cocktail that's perfect for a lovely appetizer using a mango, lemon, basil, and a peach. If you're going to open a nice bottle of Chardonnay, my recipe only uses 2 tablespoons, and then 1/2 of a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar and 12 cooked deveined shrimp. And this is a healthy, clean-eating vegetable dip. To make 2 servings in glasses about this size, you'll need 1 mango, 1 lemon, and 3 or 4 leaves of basil if you're using these large leaves, about 4 or 5 if you're using the smaller leaves. If you'd like a sweeter dip with virtually no alcohol, you can use this mango Chardonnay vinaigrette, but you need 4 tablespoons because it's thicker. And then a dash of black pepper, about 1/16 of a teaspoon. Just cut your lemon in half and use it to go around the rim of the glasses because you're going to invert them in some coarse sea salt, and the salt's going to season the shrimp a little bit, so you don't need to put any salt in the dip itself. Pour a generous amount of coarse sea salt on a plate and just coat the edges of the glasses and then set aside. And before I add the inside of the lemon to the blender, I'm just slicing a few really thin slices for garnish. Or instead of that, you can grate the peel and put that on the basil leaf. Now slice all of the lemon off of the lemon peel. This is easiest if you cut it into wedges and then slice the lemon off. That's going to go in your blender with all of your other ingredients. Now peel your mango and cut all the flesh off. I'm actually saving a piece of the peel that I'm going to cut into slices and use as a garnish on each of them. Cut all of the flesh off of the mango in little slices until you get to the pit, and yes, this funny little thing is the mango pit. Then add your mango chunks to the blender with the lemon pieces. Add your peach slices, 2 tablespoons of Chardonnay, and 1/2 of a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, or the mango vinaigrette. Then chiffonade your basil leaves if you'd like to use some for garnish. Otherwise, just chop them up and throw them in the blender. Toss in a pinch of pepper and then just pulse it until it's blended. The consistency should be just like regular shrimp cocktail sauce. If it's too thick, just add a little bit more Chardonnay, then give it a taste to see if you want to add more wine, pepper, or basil. Then fill your glasses about half the way full, and you'll probably have some left over for dip or extra glasses. I'm placing 6 shrimp on the rims of each of the glasses, garnishing with a little bit of the mango peel and lemon peel. Placing sprigs of basil on there, and I'm going to sprinkle my basil leaves with a little bit of gold dust. And that's it. You have a beautiful last-minute appetizer. And don't forget,